Hey friends, welcome back to Jason Design Shop. For today, we've got a cool project for VBS coming up this summer. It's called Stellar, and it's all about space, and we got to build a giant rocket. So it's going to be about 20 feet tall. It's going to be awesome. So how are we going to do that? Stick around, and I'll show you. And this is the cool bendable plywood. It's got two pieces of wood on top that have the grains in the same direction, and a thin piece in the middle that can really bend, that holds it all together. Right guys, check out this wood. It bends. You do want to draw yourself some plans here to figure out how much supplies you need, how tall you want to be. Close to 21 feet. We use this strip of floppy particle wood to create our curve for the fin all the way up to here. I don't have a bit that can get a deep enough hole to put a screw through that and hold it all in place. Then I realized how silly when I could just simply put the whole rib on the inside. The other one's going to come around, the other one piece will come around here, and I can screw in from each side right there and put them together so quickly. And the outside will be seamless without this board on there. Seems to be taking that arc just about perfect on my circle. And there it is. Now, get those fins on there and see what happens. Right, in case you just tuned in, we are at the Maker Fun Factory, Jason Design Shop that is, and making a rocket. Woo! Big step here. We got to put the rocket up on top of this. Rocket! That is pretty big in my garage. Woohoo! This will be the back with the seam line. Oh, look at that. Alright, now we need to make some cross pieces from here to the other side, and from this one to behind me here. Alright, and the same thing there, crisscross. And we can lock in the space, so hopefully stop it from twisting. Well, I didn't record it, but I just put these all the way around. The next one can go right on there. Let that dry. Okay, we're going to try to use some foam underneath it because we got, razor blade to cut through this thing. So hopefully we won't destroy the tip on the cement floor. Let's go for it. Let's try to cut it out. Also got taper again to facilitate it being round. Oh. Now the hard part, getting this onto here straight. Like that. I do have one. You want a flathead screw so it will pinch the material to the wood better. We have a cone! Woohoo! Now let's see if it fits. That's great. Woohoo! We want to put a dowel in there on the top, somehow to get it to mount on the inside, and maybe put the smaller one into this bigger one there, drill a hole there, set that down there so it can have a nice long point sticking up there. Well, let's figure it out. Let's make a lip here that the plastic can hit and stop, and then we'll go down and grab. Let's try this. I think that'll do it. We'll pull it all the way through and it'll snap right in there and it won't go down. but we can pull it right out. Now we're going to paint black on the fins and white on the rocket. Let's go. A couple seconds of painting video because it's so amazing to watch people paint. Then I'll let you watch it dry. That's even more fun. And it continues. Okay, we've got the fins done. We've got the 3 sections done. There's the bottom where the fins go in. We even got the needle for the top. Now we've got to do black accents. Point it away from the camera. There we go. Alright, one more part we gotta make to this rocket.
Wow, look at that before. Round, donut basical shape. That is the bottom rocket part.
White, black, gray. Here we go. Woo. All done. Alright guys, this is it. The rocket is up on the stage at the church. Here we are. We're going to go in and check it out.
Are you done with the
Hey, that looks familiar from last year. Oh, cool doors here. We go in the tunnel. Follow the neon footsteps. Black lights. See that? Oh, there it is. Woohoo! There it is. This is the boss man, Dave. That is awesome.